Hello, welcome to Software. Most of you have been thinking, what can you do with a graphic design skill? So stay tuned and let's dive in. Next, that design dream you have been always been dreaming about, please be encouraged. Come on board. Then a graphic design skill. This what you can achieve with this is endless, bro. Let me not lie to you. You can achieve a lot with this. One, you can achieve creating logos for people. Two, you can create posters like that. You can create brochures, digital assets like that. That's working as a graphic designer. That's one of the things you actualize with. Next, you can even dive into web design. That's designing of websites. These websites are very, very important for customer base. That's for client that needs an online base or publicity you can work with. You can also do UI, the UI section. You can also do interface, create interface of a brand. As a brand identity designer, you can design for corporate industries, corporate brands, law firms, and lots more. And then let's clear. Let's go in. Then the more we're also introducing, you can become an art director working for an advertising media, for instance. Can advertise for a media house like that. Can advertise this is for a media house, and then you can work as a motion graphic designer, creating animation for TVs, films, and like that. You can work as an illustrator. This is very, very important. Illustrator is someone that maybe does artworks, which is very important. These artworks are, let's say, you create artistics, not just for books, not just for magazine, not just for products. It can be vector based. Those of you that are interested in Illustrator, they are very, very key. We have photo editors. You can become a photo editor as well. You can become a packaging designer. You can work as an entertainment. Those of you that like party so much, party designs, I do love them as well. One of the advantages of this is as working as a freelancer. Well, I've seen as a freelancer you have higher pay. Let me say, as higher pay it depends on your client. But you working, this is an agency designer. You are working for a team. There's a consistent salary base for you. But as a freelance person, you don't have a consistent one. Any gig you have can be bigger, anyone can be smaller. It doesn't actually count. There are personal styles, how you want. These ones you must follow the brand guideline. That is the color they want, the font they use. Everything must have to be in line with what you. As a freelance, you have the autonomy to create, to be creative on your own. You build contracts, you build reliance, but you are not opportune for that. Thank you. We have come to the end of this tutorial. We don't want this video to be short, and if you love this tutorial, please subscribe for more.